In this video, you will see a disassembly and teardown of this iPhone 6s. And I have to emphasize that this is not a real iPhone 6s, it's a fake or clone or whatever. On the box you can see iPhone spelled with lowercase p, this may be a clue. So let's begin with the disassembly. First you have to remove the SIM card tray. You can use a paper clip or even a wire of a resistor to stick it into this hole and then take it out. And then you have to pry the back cover off, and this is the fake one, the real one may be different. You start on the side where you have the SIM card and the power button. Okay, and the back cover is off. Here you can see the battery, and the battery is really thin. It says 2000 milliamp hours, but I'm not sure it's the real capacity because it's Chinese and the real capacity can be anything. So this fake one has a replaceable battery. The real one probably has the battery soldered into the place. And now you will need those two tiny screwdrivers. I've got those from my friend, thank you. There is a classic one and a pentagram one. Now you will need the classic one to open this screw. And the pentagram shaped one to open those two screws at the bottom. And after removing those screws, you can open it up like this. And this is the cover, which contains virtually nothing except those metal sheets, maybe antennas, maybe some shieldings. And this is the phone. Here's the jack for earphones, the microphone, charging port, some ties, resistors, capacitors, another tie going to the buttons. Another tie, this is the main camera, this is the selfie camera, this is the speaker, battery connector, LED flash, and that's basically it. And strangely the camera cover is somewhat burned or blackened. That's really weird. Remove those ties to be able to remove the board. This one and the selfie camera, and this one will be probably tricky. And it's out. Remove the power button. And let's take all the screws out. And now the entire board should come out. And that's it. So the main board is out. This is probably the headphone, selfie camera. This is the vibration motor. This is the tie from the display. This is the main camera. This is the loudspeaker. There are some microcontrollers on the board. This one is a SIM card slot, and this seems to be a memory card slot. And this one seems to be a slot for SD memory card. And actually in a real iPhone you don't have one. So I have successfully disassembled this device without using this tool, fortunately. And it always surprises me that those super high-tech devices contain virtually nothing. Just few chips and that's it. And now I have to try to put it back together. And actually the proper way to unplug those ties is to flip this black part up and just take it out. And to put it back, just slide it back and flip it down. But the tie of the display seems to be different. You really just pull it out and push it back. So I have put it all back together and let's test it. And surprisingly it still works. The main board and all the ties and screws are back. And now it's prepared for another video where I will try to modify this to a night vision. So I have modified the camera to a microscope so that you can see the tiny pentagram on the screwdriver. And this is the structure of the paper. So this is Diet Gone Wild and the night vision is coming soon.